Okay, Bach, G major suite, Minuets 1 and 2, the grade 6 syllabus. The crucial thing, you have to give it a feel of 3 time. This was dance music for Bach's time. We have the church music, we have the non-church music, generally stuff that was danced to. So we have to have 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. So everything you do with your bow has to deliver that message. So 1 won't necessarily, I hope, won't be thumped. It will be lent on, and 3 generally is either fading away or it's leading our ear. It's taking us back to beat 1. So this is what I mean. So you're going to sink the bow into the string. If you watch my hand, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing that with my fingers. Everything comes from up here. It's 1 movement. And that's 2/3 of the bar in 1 bow. And we have 1/3 of the bar for the other bow. But we have to get back. So the next bow will be faster. It has to be lighter, otherwise it will stick out. We can do a little crescendo into the next beat, so that will help us. So here we go. Slow bow, quicker bow. These are all equal. Now we've talked about timing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2. Crucially, when you start your chord, second finger's already down. So here we go from the beginning. 1, 2. Half a bow for each one. Sing out. And don't bump that note. We don't want... Okay, so again from the beginning, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3. Let it sing. 1, 2, 3. 1. Slow bow, fast bow. Fast bow. All equal. Fade away. So strong, lighter, tiny. And then we're back. Light bow, plenty of bow. Don't let that stick out. I'll go from the double bar again. Try with me. 2 and 3 and slow bow, quicker bow. Get it moving. Fading away, light bow. Look where we're left. So you lift it up and you start again near the heel. So these are smooth, same idea. All the string crossing comes from here, not here. So the D sharp, make it sound like an ending. It's a false one, because we're teasing, etc. From the double bar, sounds like this. Play with me. Slow bow, fast light bow, play out. 2 and 3 and. Smooth, all bows. Fade away. Legato. All bows, legato. Slowing down. We're back. Smooth, fast light bow. Go for the first beat of each bar. Here we go. Here. So after the bottom E, this is bar 16. We're going for the first beat of the bar. There. And there. And there. And there. And there. And there. And here. That last bit should be really proud because it's fast. found G major again. It's been meandering. It's like, I don't know where I'm going, oh, look at this harmony, G major, proud. Okay, so you get my message about the downbeat of each bar. From the bottom E, bar 16, play with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3, downbeat, crescendo to the downbeat, downbeat